Noise distractions driving you crazy? Studying or working in noisy places can be a nightmare. The Noise Master Buds Max are designed for all-day wear and epic sound. Get yours today and experience the silence.
Every single ad you just saw was created inside VOSU AI. The creator is AI, the voice is AI, the scenes are AI, the script is AI, and everything started from one product page. If you run an e-commerce brand, work at an agency, or create ads for clients, you know one UGC ad is never enough. You need different creators, different hooks, different scripts, and different angles to find what actually performs. The problem is that creating those variations usually means hiring creators, organizing shoots, waiting for edits, and spending more money every time. In this video, I will show you how to create a realistic AI UGC ad from a product page using VOSU AI, and how the same workflow can be reused to create multiple ad variations for TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and Meta ads. So, without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into it. Alright guys, first of all, head over to the official VOSU AI website. I'll leave the link in the description below. Once you're there, simply create an account or log in to access all of VOSU's AI tools. After logging in, you'll arrive at the VOSU homepage. As you can see, there are a variety of AI tools available, but since today's video is focused on creating UGC ads, we'll be using UGC Studio. To get started, hover over the menu on the left-hand side and click on UGC Studio. This is where we'll create our entire AI-generated UGC advertisement from scratch. Before we begin, there are just two things you'll need. First, of course, a product that you want to advertise, and second, a UGC creator or character. Once you have both of those ready, you're good to go. The first step is to provide your product information. Here you'll see an option called Product Page URL to UGC. Simply paste the URL of your product page, and VOSU will automatically analyze it and extract all the important information. After a few seconds, you'll see that the AI has gathered key details about your product, including its features, benefits, use cases, target audience, customer pain points, and other relevant information. If needed, you can manually edit any of this information. And if you've updated your product page or want the AI to perform a fresh analysis, simply click the Reanalyze button at the bottom. Once you're happy with everything, click Continue. Now it's time to configure your ad settings. First, choose the platform where you plan to publish your ad. VOSU supports platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, YouTube videos, Meta ads, and more. Next, select the duration of your advertisement. Keep in mind that longer videos require more credits to generate. You can also enable subtitles if you'd like them included in the final video. Once you've configured these settings, click Continue. Now let's add our brand. Click on Add Brand, paste your brand's website URL, and VOSU will automatically import the brand information. Once it's finished, simply select your brand from the drop-down menu. Now comes one of the most important steps, creating your UGC creator. Click on Create Character. You can upload either images or videos of your creator, but for this tutorial, I'll be using images. Start by uploading a clear front-facing image. Then upload additional angles if you already have them. If not, VOSU can automatically generate the additional angles for you with single click. Just make sure the generated angles look accurate before continuing. Next, enter a name for your creator along with a short description. Then click Create. Once the character has been created, simply select it. Below that, choose the language, voice style, and the AI voice you'd like your creator to use. After everything looks good, click Continue. Within a few seconds, VOSU will automatically generate a complete UGC ad script based on your product information. You'll be able to review the script, including the hooks, scenes, and overall flow of the advertisement. If you're not happy with the first version, simply click Rewrite to generate another one. I definitely recommend spending a little extra time here because the script plays a huge role in how convincing your final advertisement will be. Once you're satisfied, click Generate UGC. Depending on the duration you've selected, this will consume a certain number of credits. Now the AI will begin generating your advertisement. This usually takes just a few minutes, so let's wait for it to finish. And there we go. Our AI-generated UGC advertisement is now ready. So just have a look at the video.
Noise distractions driving you crazy? Studying or working in noisy places can be a nightmare. The Noise Master Buds Max are designed for all-day wear and epic sound. Get yours today and experience the silence.
So, as you just saw, the video looks great. And of course, you can always add some final touches in terms of editing to make it look even more professional and brand specific. But otherwise, the cinematic shots and the AI character are looking dope, which is the most important part of an ad. And that's how you can create realistic AI UGC advertisements using VOSU AI. That's it for this video. Let me know down in the comments what topic you'd like to see a tutorial on next, and I'll see you guys in the next one.